I study MEIS because I've always wanted to study about anywhere else in the world, and I picked the Middle East because I thought it was time that America understood it rather than study it as an object.
Well, I've always been kind of fascinated by Middle Eastern culture and history, and so coming to college and studying journalism allowed me the opportunity, or gave me the opportunity, to really kind of focus on the language and the history and everything.
I want to know about the relationship between the people and the state. What is the nature of that relationship? I'm curious to see how power is contested in both the private and public sphere.
A lot of history goes into why things are the way they are, and I think that's important in understanding if you're going to look at it in terms of a political perspective or international relations. A lot of people don't understand that history, and I think it's important to if you're going to try to create some type of policy there.
We have to also understand that there's an extreme power dynamic in how we study specifically regions like the Middle East. And you can't do it just through political science. You have to understand that we're studying people and that we have to study with the people, you know?
When I come from a point of privilege as a white American, I can really learn empathy and understanding through listening and letting others teach me in the way that they wish to be represented.
I came to college to learn how to write and to learn how to be a journalist. But studying Middle East and Islamic studies also gave me this body of knowledge that I can now go and use in the real world, as it were.
I think a lot of our issues, specifically with our presidency, is that people really don't have understanding, which is the core part of empathy. And I think that what I'm doing now can lead to me spreading that around.